Hi guys, it's Tobias here from HomemadeGiftsMadeEasy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to fold a money origami shirt with necktie, like this one. Except I'm going to show you with just a white sheet of paper because I think you can see the folds more clearly. So the first step is just to fold the bill in half lengthways, like this. Okay, and unfold again. And now what we want to do is fold two corners to the center line, as if you are making a paper plane. Right. Okay, and then I'm just going to fold that whole triangle up. And I'm going to rearrange the paper so the triangle's at the top, like this. At this point it's handy to have a pencil, and I'm just going to sketch in the shape of a necktie. You could probably use a ruler to do this a little more accurately, but this will do. So you can see I've just sketched in the shape of a necktie that starts at the top here and then just comes down like that. And that's handy because now we're going to make some creases on those pencil lines that I drew in. So I'm going to unfold it a little bit like this, and then we're just going to make a crease along those penciled lines. So there's one side of the necktie, and now I'm going to do the other side along that crease. Great, so basically all I've done is just to make creases along the sides of what's going to become the necktie. Right, so now, this is a little tricky to describe, but using that crease I'm going to basically fold the necktie in half, like that. See, fold in half like this, and that's going to pinch up this left-hand side, which I then want to squash flat along that crease there. Right, and then I'm going to fold the tie back open, like that. And now I'm going to do the same thing, but folding the tie in half to the left, like this, which kind of pinches up the paper on the right hand side, so I need to squash it flat. And then I'm going to open the necktie back out. Oops. Like this. Great, so that's going to be the necktie, that bit in the middle. So now what I'm going to do is fold the top and the bottom edges here to the center line. That kind of hides the necktie, but don't worry, it'll reappear later. And then we're going to open these out again. Now this fold's a little tricky too. Now see my left index finger, see this corner just there. I'm going to fold it so that that corner goes to this corner at the top. So this corner here is coming up to meet that corner at the top. And then I'm going to squash it flat under the necktie. That's a little tricky, so I'm going to open it out and show you what happened. So what I did was to fold, you can use a pencil, fold this corner here up to meet this corner here, like this. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to fold this corner here, this corner here, to meet that top corner. It's a little tricky to describe in the video, but if you've got a sheet of paper in front of you and you're actually trying this, I think you'll get the hang of it and see what I mean. So this is what it should look like when you're done. Great, okay, I promise it gets easier from here on. So the next thing we want to do is just fold up this bottom edge about half centimeter or a quarter inch or so. Just fold it up, and then we're going to flip over, and then I'm going to rotate this a bit. We're going to fold what's going to become the color. So basically taking the bottom two corners and folding them into the center line at an angle. Right, so you should have something that looks like this with the two corners meeting at the center. Good. Okay, then we fold back up so that the tie is on the front. And we're going to fold up the bottom until it's almost reaching the necktie. Just a few millimeters away, maybe 1/8 of an inch or something away from the necktie. This little gap is about 1/8 of an inch. And then unfold again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up one of these flaps, and I'm going to try and pinch it between two fingers on my left hand. And then I'm going to fold this up again. At the same time I'm going to pull out this flap that I'm pinching. And that's to make one of the shirt sleeves. So there you can see what's happened. This flap has folded out and squashed flat to make a shirt sleeve here. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to lift up this flap, pinch it between my fingers, and pull it out. Whoa, fiddly. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's a little bit fiddly. But there you go. Now both these flaps are coming out to make shirt sleeves here. Great. Now we turn it up, turn it over again. And now I'm going to fold it so that this corner here meets that corner there, and this corner here meets that corner there. Okay. And now I'm going to take the collar and I'm going to fold it up so that on the other side it just peeks over the top of the shirt. And you want to sort of hook the collar over the front of the shirt. Okay, and there you have it, an origami shirt complete with necktie. Thanks for watching.